What's up, all my YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm iamlashondacapri. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. They're all still on lockdown, quarantine, and can't go out and shop. So I thought, okay, I want to try something different. I wanted to start doing more detailed makeup looks for you guys. So I went ahead and ordered some glitter eyeliner from Amazon. So I already threw away the package that it came in only because somebody else touched it. So I wanted to hurry up and take them out of the box and out of the bag and throw them away. Wash my hands, of course. Now, 10 colors did come in the package. It was at a very good price. If I'm not mistaken, I paid $9 and some change. I will leave the link down below so you guys can go and order and check it out if you want to do so. So I'm going to swatch each color for you guys. Here's one of them. And it's about the size as a mascara, as you can see. It's a good size, like a travel size. You can stick it in your purse or whatever. So I am going to go ahead and start swatching these for you guys. Before I do get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Make sure you like this video, thumbs it up, and share. So let's just get straight into the video. So the first color I have here is silver. And it looks just like this. And I'm going to come up closer and show you guys how well they look. Here's silver. And no lie, I like these already because the brush on it is very small and precise. Like, very precise. I love that. I don't really like the big brushes because it gets all clunky and it gets everywhere. And it's kind of hard to do anything or design on your eyes or makeup wise with a huge chunky brush. Next is purple. There's purple. Next is blue. This is blue. Next I have gold. Next is pink. Pink is so pretty, very pretty. And guys, these are very pigmented. Look at that. Very pretty. Next, I have orange. Orange, very pretty. Next, I have like a lighter pink. Like a lighter pink right here. Now I have like a gold yellow looking color. It's like a goldish yellow. Next I have green. Green is so pretty. Look at that. Then last I have red. I really can't wait to play in this red. Right quick before I log off, I do want to demonstrate on one of my eyes and show you guys how the liner turns out. Very pigmented. Very. I use the color silver. I'm gonna come up close and show you guys how they look. This is how they look. So I would say this is a good buy. For the price that it is, they're very pigmented. They're very precise. The brush is not rough or anything. It's soft. It goes on smooth. For $9 and some change, I would say definitely go get these. They are numbered at the bottom. Like I said, there's 10. So it does start 1 through 10. I just think that these are a must. Like, these are dope. Like, I know like other companies that have these like ColourPop and Morph and NYX. I know they also have like glitter liners and stuff like that, which is great too. But for someone who's starting off with makeup or just bored or on a budget, I would definitely say pick these up for Amazon. And guys, this video is not sponsored at all. So this is just me and my own opinions. These, yes, cop these. Again, I will leave the link down below so you guys who are interested that can go and look at the link and possibly order you some yourself. So that is the end of the video. I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up, share, leave me a comment down below on some other content you want to see on my channel. Make sure you do turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And again, make sure you are subscribed. And I'm going to wrap up this video and head out. And like I say in every freaking video, guys, I will see you guys later. Peace out.